everyone, I'm back again with another video. Today I'm excited to talk about how to supercharge your Amazon product listings and boost your sales. As you know, Amazon is a huge marketplace and it can be tough to get your products noticed, but that's where optimizing your listing comes in. When you optimize your listings, you're making it easier for potential buyers to find your products and learn about them. And that means more sales for you. So how do you optimize your Amazon product listings? Here are a few tips. Start with a killer title. Your title is the first thing potential buyers will see. So make sure it's clear, concise, and descriptive. Include your brand. Highlight the essential features and if possible, sprinkle in some relevant keywords. Next is use high quality images. Your images are just as important as your title. Use high-resolution images that give potential buyers a clear view of your product from different angles. Make sure your images are well lit and in focus, and avoid using any cluttered backgrounds. Next is write a compelling description. Your description is your chance to tell potential buyers everything they need to know about your product. Be sure to highlight all the key features and benefits, and use clear and concise language. You should also include a call to action at the end of your description, such as buy now or learn more. In addition to these tips, here are a few other things you can do to optimize your Amazon product listings. Use relevant keywords throughout your listing. When potential buyers search for products on Amazon, they use keywords. By including relevant keywords in your title, description, and bullet points, you're making it more likely that your product will show up in search results. Next is get positive reviews. Positive reviews are one of the most important factors in Amazon's ranking algorithm. So encourage your customers to leave reviews after they purchase your product. And lastly, run Amazon ads. Amazon ads can be a great way to boost your sales and reach more potential buyers. However, it's important to set up your campaigns carefully so that you don't overspend. By following these tips, you can optimize your Amazon product listings and boost your sales. Just remember to be patient and consistent. It takes time to see results, but it's worth it in the end. And that's it! You're now equipped with the knowledge to optimize your Amazon product listings like a pro. An engaging title, high-quality images, and informative descriptions are your secret sauce to not just attracting more buyers, but also building trust with them. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to optimize product listings on Amazon. See you in my next video.